Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best dehumidifiers for basements of 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best dehumidifiers for basements of 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates, thank you. Number 1. The Kesnos 80 Pints Energy Star Dehumidifier is the perfect solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels in your home or basement. Designed to cover spaces up to 5,500 square feet, this powerful dehumidifier removes up to 80 pints of moisture per day, making it ideal for large rooms, basements, or damp areas. With its sleek front LED display, you can easily monitor and adjust settings to your desired comfort level. The included 1.06-gallon water tank ensures continuous operation, while the convenient drain hose allows for automatic drainage, saving you from frequent emptying. Energy Star certified, the Kesnos dehumidifier is both energy efficient and eco-friendly, ensuring low power consumption while effectively reducing excess moisture. It also operates quietly, so it won't disturb your peace at home. Whether for your basement, living room, or any other large space, the Kesnos dehumidifier ensures a healthy, comfortable environment year-round. Number 2. The Kesnos 80 Pints Energy Star Dehumidifier is a powerful and energy-efficient solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels in your home or basement. Designed for spaces up to 5,500 square feet, this dehumidifier removes up to 80 pints of moisture per day, making it perfect for large rooms, basements, and even commercial spaces. The Energy Star certification ensures lower energy consumption, helping you save on electricity bills. It comes equipped with a 1.06-gallon water tank and a convenient drain hose for continuous drainage, eliminating the need to frequently empty the tank. The sleek front LED display allows you to monitor humidity levels easily, while its quiet operation ensures minimal disruption. Whether you're looking to prevent mold, reduce allergens, or simply create a more comfortable environment, the Kesnos dehumidifier delivers superior performance with long-lasting reliability. Keep your spaces dry, fresh, and healthy effortlessly. Number 3. The ToLife dehumidifier is the perfect solution for maintaining optimal air quality in your home. Equipped with a large 95 ounces water tank, it efficiently removes excess moisture from spaces up to 950 square feet, making it ideal for bedrooms, basements, bathrooms, and more. Despite its powerful performance, this dehumidifier operates quietly, ensuring a peaceful environment without any disturbance. Featuring auto shutoff technology, the unit automatically powers down when the tank reaches its capacity, preventing any overflow and making it convenient to maintain. With its sleek and compact design, the ToLife dehumidifier seamlessly blends into any room. Additionally, it includes adding a soft, ambient glow that can be customized to match your mood or decor. Improve your indoor air quality and create a more comfortable living space with this efficient and user-friendly dehumidifier. Number 4. The RUWORA 2500 SqFt dehumidifier is designed to tackle excess moisture in your home, ensuring a healthier environment. With a powerful 30-pint capacity, it efficiently removes humidity from areas up to 2,500 square feet, making it ideal for basements, bedrooms, and bathrooms. This dehumidifier features a 0.66-gallon water tank, allowing for extended use between emptying. For added convenience, it comes with a drain hose for continuous drainage, so you can enjoy a worry-free experience without the hassle of manual water removal. The built-in overflow protection ensures safety by automatically shutting off the unit when the tank is full. With its sleek design and user-friendly controls, the RUWORA dehumidifier not only enhances air quality but also prevents mold and mildew growth. Transform your living space into a comfortable oasis with this efficient, reliable, and easy-to-use dehumidifier. Say goodbye to dampness and hello to a fresher home. Number 5. Yaufey 2500 SqFt home dehumidifier for medium to large rooms and basements with auto or manual drainage, 0.48-gallon water tank capacity, low noise and introducing the Yaufey 2500 SqFt home dehumidifier. the perfect solution for medium to large rooms and basements. Designed with both efficiency and convenience in mind, this powerful dehumidifier effectively removes excess moisture, creating a healthier living environment. Featuring an impressive 0.48-gallon water tank capacity, it ensures continuous operation, while the option for auto or manual drainage adds flexibility for your needs. Enjoy a peaceful atmosphere with its low-noise operation, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or office spaces. The Yaufey dehumidifier not only protects your home from mold and mildew but also helps improve air quality by reducing allergens and odors. With its sleek design and user-friendly controls, maintaining optimal humidity levels has never been easier. Say goodbye to dampness and hello to comfort with the Yaufey 2500 SqFt Home Dehumidifier, your reliable partner in creating a dry, cozy home.